Good Monday evening, Southeast Texas. Now, we're expecting a cold front to sweep on into Southeast Texas early Wednesday morning. This front's not going to be a strong one as it does push through the area. Maybe an isolated shower, but mainly on a dry note, it will pass through the area. You're looking at normal low temperatures around 52 to 53. Despite that front, we'll still be above normal. A second stronger front coming in Sunday night still shows above normal low temperatures, anywhere from about 6 to 14 degrees above normal. Now we'll overlay the high temperatures, and as you can see, anywhere between about 5 to about 12 degrees above normal for the next 7 days. As we continue to watch the tropics, we're watching Eta in the southeastern Gulf of Mexico. One thing I want you to notice is all this dry air on the western side of the storm. That hopefully will keep it in check. Now, if the storm goes further to the west, it could dissipate. And that's what some of the computer models are showing. If it does move further west than what this is forecast to do, then it will dissipate. I'm not concerned about this one iota, as the Hurricane Center has this moving on-off towards the north in the eastern Gulf of Mexico, likely being picked up by a trough of low pressure. We'll see if that materializes. Otherwise, we have another area that we'll be focusing on over the coming days into the Caribbean. Notice the clouds going up this way, down this way, and off towards the east. That is high pressure above this area. Very conducive area in the Caribbean for another named system to develop. Medium chance at this time, and then in the far northeastern Atlantic, high chance that this could become another named storm. This is Invest 97L. Neither one of these are expected to be an issue for us. But the fact is, we could have iota and theta and iota over the next couple of days, which would certainly blow the record for the most named storms ever to be recorded since 1851. Tonight, we're expecting partly to mostly cloudy skies across the area. Above normal temperatures could be about 14, 15 degrees above normal in the mid-60s across southeast Texas. Then tomorrow, looking at a lot of clouds in the morning. There is the potential that these clouds could thin out during the afternoon. Regardless, we think we'll see high temperatures in the lower 80s. On the Gulf of Mexico, slightly choppy seas around 1 to 2 feet in your coastal marine forecast. We'll see an easterly wind on the Gulf at 5 knots. Water temperature 71. You only get one high tide tomorrow at Sabine Pass at 10:52 a.m. Our forecast tonight, mostly cloudy, warm and humid. We'll see low temperatures in the mid-60s in southeast Texas as winds go calm. Tomorrow, we'll go partly sunny, but there is a potential that the clouds could thin out more than expected. Expecting a warm, humid, dry day with high temperatures in the lower 80s. So our next cold front comes in during the wee hours of Veterans Day. That may lower humidity levels a bit, and we may see more sun in the afternoon on a dry note, and then a little drier air mass will allow us to shave a few degrees off for morning low temperatures coming up Thursday and Friday with sunny, warm afternoons. Then we'll see a southwest flow coming up over the weekend ahead of our next cold front. Could see high temperatures rising into the low to mid 80s. That next front coming in Sunday night will knock temperatures down into the 50s for lows and highs in the 70s coming up next Monday with abundant sunshine. Download our app, follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and as always, there's more weather at 12newsnow.com.